Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. This is very important tutorial for us. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the beautiful swing frame using Java. Here, if you execute this program, you can check here. Yeah, this one should be the when you design on the user swing on NetBeans, you can usually get the look like this, right? This like user look like this. Okay, this is a button, all the stuff look like this. If you want to make it beautiful like this, here if you make this one, if you run and check how was it here, this is very simple, beautiful, but this is the actually look of the look and feel of swing, okay, of Java. Okay, this is here, it is a actual one, right? If you look at this one here, if you defaultly if you are going to design the form in NetBeans, you can definitely get this kind of output. One of my students asked me to do the stuff, right, how to do in NetBeans, right? Here this is the actual look, right, how to do the task, right? There are many stuff there. Now here, if you how to do the task is here, this is how this is the thing I am going to change it as the look like this. Okay, now here if you click on this one, this is this one, right click, if you click the frame, this one should be your frame, right click. Here you have to go to the preview design. Okay, you can check here, this one should be the just actual looking, right? The second one, there will be various designs available. This one should be the default one, this is a default one. After that, the third one, you will be able to see this one. Okay, these are the looks available in Java, right? You will decide which one you needed, right? This is all the stuff, right? Here this one should be the Windows, right? Same as a Windows, right? Like this. Okay, this one should be the, you can see another preview, the Windows Classic here. This one should be the Windows Classic version, right? This one look like our .NET framework like one, right? So there are various preview designs available. Whatever you need, you will be able to check, right? I need this one. This one should be the matter. You keep in remember this name. Okay, defaultly come as this one. You have to change this one, this name or this one, right? I have to change this one, right, first, right? This one, right? METL, right? Now how to do the task is, you just go to the source. Here this one should be your generated source code, right? This is all the buttons and frames, all the should be there here in the generate this source code. Click on this plus sign. Here you have to find it UI manager. You just find button. Here you just control plus F. You can get the find here, find text box here. You just paste it this one, UI manager. You just type UI manager, you can get it here. UI manager, here you can get it here. This is UI manager. UI manager, here this one should be the default one, right? If I want to change the different one, you can change it here, right? Here if you change it as a Windows, you will be able to change Windows. Right. Okay, you can check here how the output will be now. It will be changed as a window like this here. The Windows look, it is like this Windows look, right? It's a Windows look, right? Now if you change it as another thing, this one, now you can check the look. Right click, run file. Here this is the actual look, right? This is the which one you need, you will be able to put it here, right? If you change it here, your look has been changed here. If you run the form, now you can check this one should be your output. It's very simple, right? You can get it the very simple swing, right? This one should be the actual design of Java, right? This is the actual design of the swing, right? You have to use this way when you are writing the program and NetBeans. There are many students ask me that things in my command, but I sorry for the late replay for this one. This is how you have to make the application look like this, right? Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.